Hi guys, welcome to Foreign Language 1, and in this video we will be discussing how to tell months. Okay, so I will be teaching you guys how to tell months in this video. First, months is not very difficult to read, especially in Chinese. Okay, compared to English where you have to memorize 12 different words in order to say every month. In Chinese, all you have to do is memorize this word. This word month or yue is the only one you need to memorize. Also, this yue also is the same word for moon. Okay, so the same word for moon is being used for Chinese. So yue is both month and moon. So we're going to use this to tell months, and it is very easy. As you can see, these are the 12 months in a year, and if you notice, almost every character in every month in Chinese is the same. Okay, as you could see the characters, all of these months have the word yue connected to them. The only difference in Chinese character is the numbers on their left side. And we already know how to count numbers in Chinese. I've already taught that in our last video regarding numbers. So all you have to do is check the month, check what month is that, and then write the number of that month, and then you add the yue, and therefore you already have the Chinese character for a month. Now, for example, January. January is usually the first month of the year. So January, since it is a first month, you have the number 1 on its first character. And then since this is a month, all you have to do is add the yue. So January in Chinese would be yi yue, yi yue, yi yue. That's it. It's very easy. Second, February, and of course we know February is the second month, so we have number 2 as the second, and then you add another yue for month. So February in Chinese is 2月 2月 2月. Okay, so I'll be reading the rest of the Chinese words for each month. Okay, let's go with March. 3月 3月 3月. April is 4月 4月 4月. May is 5月 5月 5月. June is 6月 6月 6月. July is 7月 7月 7月. August is 8月 8月 8月. September would be 9月 9月 9月. October would be 10月 10月 10月. November would be 11月 11月 11月. And December would be 12月 12月 12月. So these are the months in Chinese. After knowing the months, the next thing we're going to do is to determine how do we say the days. So for example, October 23, how do we say that in Chinese? Okay, that's in November 15. How do we say that in Chinese? Okay, so before we go there, we have to remember or add another word in Chinese. We call this the word how. 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 How means number. Okay, so we're going to use this and add the thing that we learned earlier and combine it in order to tell the day, a specific day. Here we have an example. October 25. October 25. So how do we say October 25 in Chinese? First, again, we have to determine what month is October. October basically is the 10th month of the year. Okay, 10th month of the year. So since this is 10, okay, we have to use the number 10 in Chinese too. We have shi, and then remember October is a month, therefore we have to add the yue. So we have the shi yue. Shi yue. Okay, and then 25 is a date. So 25 in Chinese would be 25and since 25 is a date, we also have to add the word how beside it. So October 25 or October 25th would be read as 10月25号 in Chinese. One more time. 10月25号. 10月25号 in Chinese. Now, let's try December 25. You could pause this video and try it for yourself if you can try to see if you know how to translate December 25 into Chinese. Did you do it? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. So first things first, we have to determine what number of month, or what's the December is what number of the month. Okay, so December is, we know, the 12th month every year. So how do we write 12 in Chinese? We write 12. And then since December is a month, we have to also write 月 beside it. And then the date would be 25. How do we write 25 in Chinese? 25. Okay, and then since 25 is a date, we have to add another Chinese character for date, how. Okay, so the Chinese word for December 25 is 12月25号. So let me write the pinyin to you. 12月25号. Okay, that's it. So that's December 25. 12月25号. See you again next time for another foreign language lesson.